Hey everyone, Brock with Brock Black Designs. What we're going to do today is show you how to install one of our custom horn covers and replace your side-mounted horn cover that you have on your bike. So follow along, and it's pretty easy here. So we're going to take the old cowbell horn cover off. You may have some better tools than I do, but you know, I'm a little old school, so we're going to take this horn cover off. Okay, and detach it from your connectors, and there it is. We have our horn cover off, and now we're going to take the OEM horn cover or horn out of the cowbell. Take this one bolt out, and take your horn cover that we sent you. Go ahead, slide it in there, hook it up if you want to, but we're not going to do that. They're junk. You need to upgrade. So what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade to a Screaming Banshee horn. It actually fits all the horn covers as well. So what we're going to do is place it in here. Make sure you put some Loctite on there. We don't want your Screaming Banshee horn coming out, so make sure you put a little Loctite on there. Throw those things away too. And the biggest thing about this is you want to make sure that you have your horn in the middle of the bolt hole, is so then you have a good vibration in the horn, and tighten it up. Nice thing is with our horn covers, they come with the wire grommet, so it keeps your wire really nice to the bracket. It comes with a bracket system, and you can always upgrade to the Screaming Banshee horn. Okay, now we're going to make sure you connect your wire connectors back. Make sure you put some Loctite on there. We don't want your beautiful horn to be falling off. Don't drop the bolt. And snug it up. Make sure it's straight. Now tighten it up. Okay, there you go.